Okay, so we're going to dilate triangle ABC by a scale factor of 2 centered at D. So here's the center point. Label all points and show all work. Okay, so I'm going to get my line. And the first thing you want to do is draw a line. Make sure it's red. Draw a line from the center of dilation all the way through, as far as you can. And do that. Let's do that for each point on the triangle. Just make it as long as you can. Do one more time. From point D, the center of dilation basically, to every single point. Okay, so you'll use a ruler, but I have a computer so I can use this. And what we're really going to do is take this distance right here, and double it because the scale factor is 2. If the scale factor was 3, we'd triple it. If the scale factor was a half, we would take a half of it. But since it's 2, we're going to double that distance. So you could kind of eyeball it and see that it's right here, right? Like this is one distance, one set of distance. That's a second set of distance. That's a really bad way to think about it. You can use a right triangle or a similar right triangles and see that you go up 2 over 1, right? Since we cannot count the slanted line, but you could count the horizontal and the vertical lines. What you're really doing, there's a Pythagorean theorem, by the way. So if that's once, we do it again, and now we get a point that is twice as far from the center of dilation. We get a point that's twice as far. So let's undo that. I'm just going to mark this nicely, and let's call that A prime. And let's do that for each and every point. So to C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 across, 1 down. I'm just going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 down. So really, it's right here. Let's undo those just to get a nice clean screen. All right, so that's my C prime. And let's do B. Now, another way you could think about it too is if this is down 1 over 2, well, you just double that. So it's down 2 over 4, right? I literally double the whole distance. And this is really my B prime. My little prime disappeared from here, so let's put that. Okay, let's just erase these little extraneous points. And that's it. We just connect them to make our shape. So A, let's do that a little bit nicer. So A to B prime. Okay, that did not come out nicely. A to C prime. And oh, no wonder I'm hitting the wrong button. And then B prime to C prime. There we go. And you can see that this triangle, all of the sides are twice the length of the original one. The area is not twice the area. That's a whole different story. But that's how you dilate a shape when given a point.